Tropical storm Grace. Winds are at 70 miles an hour, wind gusts at 85, and it is in the Bay of Campeche right now. And notice how expansive it is getting. I mean, it is getting larger, and you can see over the last 12 hours on this satellite loop on infrared imagery how large it has gotten since it weakened over Mexico. Just look at that. It's exploding in thunderstorm development around that center, really taking advantage of the warm water of the Gulf of Mexico, and it most likely will be a hurricane by this morning. It just looks really good on satellite in terms of its structure for hurricane presentation. Here's a forecast cone for Grace. It is moving southwest as a Cat 1. It will be a Cat 1 before landfall by late tonight, tomorrow morning, making landfall and then moving into central Mexico by this weekend. Notice around the storm right now are waves upwards of 19 feet. We don't have to worry about wave heights that large, but right now around the coastal bend, they're about 4 to 5 feet. Now, as this storm moves farther into Mexico, it'll send ripples of energy and waves through Saturday and Sunday, meaning wave heights could be as large as 4 to 8 feet. So here's the forecast. Tonight, around 6 to 7, and it should peak in height by Saturday morning, upwards of 7 to 8 feet. And then it will improve by late Saturday and more so into Sunday as we wrap up the weekend. Back here at home, though, it's quiet, it's dry. This weekend looks to be mostly sunny. We're going to see partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, there will be a chance at rain, but the big concern is the large breaking waves. The high surf advisory in effect until tomorrow at 7. A coastal flood advisory in effect until this morning at 10, meaning minor coastal flooding, water reaching the dunes, impassable beaches at times in a few areas, high rip currents, and dangerous swimming conditions are going to persist. So not the best time to go to the beach this weekend. If you do go, use caution. Be careful out there. Right now it's quiet though. We're at about 77 degrees on this Friday morning. Winds are at about 6, dew point at 76, relative humidity almost at 100%. Now with almost 100% relative humidity, there is bound to be some fog out there. It's not so much here in the city, but between, let's say, Alice and Fremont and Orange Grove and even to southern portions of Live Oak County, some visibility is down to about a mile, if not about 2 miles. So your planner for today, maybe some patchy fog, mainly out west, 93 at lunchtime. Winds a little breezy out there at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. And temperatures should top out and stop at 95, which is about right for this time of year. But of course, the heat index, when you factor the humidity, that's going to be pulling about 108 this afternoon, and that's going to be very humid, and it doesn't stop there. Tomorrow around 106 to 107. Same thing on Sunday, same deal on Monday, 108 on Monday afternoon with a high temperature of 96 and 107 on Tuesday. Now, notice the forecast does not change. There is not a lot of variety expected in the forecast. Notice this ridge of high pressure sets up through Tuesday, drops anchor, and it doesn't really move out until Wednesday and Thursday of next week, which means our 7-day forecast doesn't change much. Tomorrow, maybe a spot shower, otherwise partly cloudy to mostly sunny, high near 94, 95 on Sunday. We'll go up to 96 on Monday, partly cloudy, a lot of sunshine, and it's not until Wednesday and Thursday this pattern breaks down. We could see a few more showers work in for our area by Wednesday, Thursday, and even late of next week. John Thomas.